Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to today's SHIBA update for Saturday, 6th of August. And I'm looking at so many coins right now. I've been looking at SHIB as well. And it seems like SHIB on this 4-hour time frame again, it is still been rejected at the moment. Okay, so you're still not finding the interest to continue higher and higher. And I've pointed about this one previously before. I do have a lot of news coming in that SHIB is getting burned at the moment, and a lot of SHIB coin is being burned. I get the point, but on the charts here, you just focus on the charts. Just because of a news doesn't really mean that you're gonna move up. I've heard BNB burning many times, and it still ends up dumping to the downside, then pumping to the upside. Do you get the point here? Like when you get the burn, I've noticed about something about the burn, and that's my comment on it. Just don't take it as financial advice or anything. Is that whenever they actually burn the tokens or anything, um, uh, when you have that news coming in for the burn, people start thinking that the burn is going to force the price to push higher. Now, happy days if you actually have the prices going up. That's amazing, right? Don't get me wrong. That would be really sweet and amazing. But they don't go up. And the reason is because that's what they want the new investors to think. And who are they? They're the market makers. Okay, they know that if we try to bring in the news for the burning and this and that, people are going to get invested in it, and they're going to start buying the coin because they're going to think, oh, something is burning, and then it's an opportunity for us to actually drop the prices. Now it has happened to Bitcoin for Bitcoin halving. It happened to BNB burn as well. It has happened to so many coins that have heard they're burning, but they start to drop it down. But the good part of it is that after the drop, the burn comes into effect, and later down the stage, down the road, the pump actually happens. But it doesn't happen as soon as the burning is happening. As burning is happening, they like to push the prices down, and then later down the road, they actually love to take the prices to the upside. So right now, currently on the chart at the moment, we do have this support here, interaction of the support there, and support, a long support right over here in this level in the 4-hour time frame. But you broke it out, went up, got rejected, went down, got rejected, went down again, got rejected. And it seems like now you are putting a rising wedge for SHIB at the moment. Okay, so there's a small rising wedge coming in into play right here. And if I just remove all the drawings right now, so I'm just gonna make it very clear to you at the moment. So that's a very pretty clear rising wedge to me. And this one looks like it's about to pop to the downside maybe today, and we're looking for SHIB to come down to this price level again, 1167. So yep, so if it does come down here, you do have a huge level of support again right over there in this level. So you don't want to lose this price level here, 1141. If you do come down and push down to 1141 and lose like this, then there's a good chance that you're going to be moving even way more lower. Now we've talked about inverse head and shoulder, and if you do come up and finally break this level here, which probably is going to be there, if you break out of that level, then you're going to be looking to actually push yourself up to 1400 level. So what is it gonna be? We're gonna get the answers step by step. You just need to break this level, back test, hold the back test, and you're good to go to that price target. And that's it for today's SHIB update. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.